Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and mod math method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, what math and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Now we have to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have this bracket which is 6 divided by 2. So we have to solve first this one. 8 divided by multiply 6 divided by 2 equals to 3 divided by 3 minus 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. Now move forward. We have solved the bracket. Now we have to see the exponent part or order of operation. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now move forward for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So again, we have to follow same rule for both. We have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. First we have 8 divided by 4 which is equal to 2. Multiply by 3 and divided by 3 minus 2, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. Now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 2 multiplied by 3 which is equals to 6 and divided by 3. Again we have to write as it is minus 2. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now move forward. We have to go left to right until we have solved all division and multiplication. Now again we have to go left to right. Here we have 6 divided by 3 which is equals to 2 minus 2. We will write here as it is. And here 6 divided by 3 equals to 2. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 0. If you see the answer left, answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.